To begin this guided mindful meditation, find somewhere that you can sit comfortably, a sofa, a bed, chair, or the floor, whatever is comfiest for you. Try to sit with a straight back and a relaxed body. Place your hands on your knees or your lap and allow your muscles to slowly relax. Roll your shoulders back to open up your heart and try to balance your weight, as good posture can strengthen the connection between your mind and your body. Where possible, try to be in a quiet room with few distractions. When you're ready, close your eyes and begin to focus on your breathing. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Take another deep breath and feel your chest expand as the air fills your lungs. Breathe out and feel your chest deflate. In, out. In, out. Empty your mind and imagine being surrounded with a warm, vibrant light. As you breathe in, let this warm light fill your lungs. As you breathe out, imagine the light spreading throughout your chest. On your next breath in, let the light expand even further. As you breathe out, let the light go up your neck, down past your stomach. Breathe in and swallow even more of this warm, vibrant light. Breathe out and let it fill your head and fill your stomach, expanding into all the areas of your upper body. Take a few more breaths and allow this warm, vibrant energy to intensify in your upper body. Think of nothing but this warm, vibrant light. If a thought comes by, allow yourself to acknowledge its presence, but then dismiss it without judgment and refocus on that warm light. Breathe in, breathe out. In, out. On your next breath in, let the warm, vibrant light reach your thighs. Breathe out and allow it to reach your knees. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. And let the light fill your legs all the way down to your toes. Breathe in, breathe out. Focus on your breath and that warm, vibrant light expanding all around your body. Feel the deep sense of peace and calm absorbing into every inch as that warm, vibrant light spreads throughout your soul. Once you're ready, slowly open your eyes. Thank you for joining me today for this mindful meditation. I have truly enjoyed meditating with you today. I hope you can bring this calm relaxation into the rest of your day, and I look forward to joining you again on your meditation journey. Take care, friends.